So hello and welcome to a new part of our webinar series. Today I would like to give you an overview of the circular economy and the importance of such concepts for companies and society. My name is Bernhard Oberegger and I'm research engineer at the Center for Digital Production. So the agenda for today, I will start with the basic description and characterization of the circular economy and show the difference to a linear economy. Then I will discuss some other approaches and strategies related to the circular economy. And finally, I will conclude this presentation by summarizing the benefits of such concepts. So the idea of the circular economy is not new, but in recent years it has become more important due to the increasing global challenges related to environmental and climate protection. The circular economy is a model of production and consumption, which involves sharing, leasing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing and recycling existing materials and products as long as possible. When a product reaches the end of its life, its materials are kept within the economy wherever possible thanks to recycling. So these materials can be then productively used again and again and thereby creating further values. So the circular economy is a departure from the traditional linear economic model, which is based on a take, make, consume, throw away pattern. So the focus in this linear economic model is on maximizing the economic growth and consumption. And it assumes that resources are abundant and that waste can be disposed of without negative consequences. However, this linear economic model is not sustainable in the long term and leads to environmental degradation and climate change. There are a number of different model approaches and strategies that aim to create a more sustainable economic system in which resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. The most common, among others, are the cradle-to-cradle design, the closed-loop recycling, the product service system and product as a service. The cradle-to-cradle design is a circular economy model that aims to design products from the start with the goal of maximizing their potential for reusing and recycling. Products should be designed in a way that they can be disassembled and their components reused or recycled. By designing products with reuse and recycling in mind, the cradle-to-cradle design can help to minimize waste, reduce the need for virgin resources, and to promote the development of closed-loop systems. So the closed-loop recycling model or closed-loop system model aims to keep materials in a closed loop where materials are collected, sorted, and recycled. The recycled materials are then used to create new products which can be recycled again at the end of their useful life. Product service system. This model is about shifting the focus from just producing products to providing services. For example, the company offers not only the product but also the service life and related services such as maintenance and repair. The product as a service is a circular economy model based on the idea that products are sold as service instead of the physical goods. So it means that the company retains ownership of the product and offers its customers the opportunity to use the product instead of owning it. So the customer pays for the use of the product while the company is responsible for the maintenance and repair of the product. So the circular economy model is an alternative economic model that focuses on regenerating and repurposing resources rather than permanently disposing of them. You can use this concept of the circular economy in your company to minimize the consumption of raw materials and to maximize the use of materials that are already available. To reduce greenhouse gas emissions by reducing energy demand and lowering emissions from the production and disposal of waste. By reusing and recycling materials, new business opportunities and jobs can be created. The circular economy not only minimizes waste, but also reduces pollution from the landfill. It is becoming increasingly clear that the more circular and sustainable economic models are needed to address the environmental and the social challenges of our time. So we are at the end of our presentation. I hope you enjoyed the webinar and you were able to identify one or the other interesting ideas and concepts for your organization. If you have any question about this topic, feel free to contact us. We also have other webinars on a variety of different topics on our YouTube channel. You can follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.